In this video, we will learn on how to book a direct salary entry. Log into EPPS ERP. Select the Finance and Accounting module. Select the General Ledger Master. Let's create a GL, that is salary and wages. Under the head of Employee Benefit Expense, enter the display name and long name. Select the nature of account as expense. Select the GL type as employee. Check the box for GL as ledger lowest level. And click Save. A success window appears. Similarly, the user can create separate GLs for the various components of a salary. For example, contribution to PF and other fund, profession and other tax, salary and wages payable. Now let's use the direct salary entry transaction to book the salary. For this, select the Finance and Accounting module. Select the direct salary entry transaction. Select the location, EPPS code, and sub-EPPS code. And click Create. Enter all the mandatory fields. And click the plus button. The ledger detail pop-up window appears. Select the required GLs. For example, salary and wages, contribution to PF and other funds, profession and other tax, TDS payable, employee salary payable, and click Add. Click Accept. The ledger details appear in the grid. Save and approve the transaction. A success window appears. Let's view the ledger details for the created salary entry. For this, select the Finance and Accounting module. Select the Ledger Query Report. Select the location, GL name, SL name, and financial year from the drop-down list. Select the From and To Date from the calendar. And click View. The report is displayed. Click to view all data for the period, to view the drill down of the report. Select the voucher number. The salary voucher is displayed. Let's pay the salary, using the account payable transaction. Select the location, EPPS code, and sub-EPPS code. And click Create. Select the ledger, the party details are auto-fetched. Enter the other mandatory details. And click the plus button of the invoice details. The pop-up window appears. Select the required reference, and click Accept. The invoice details appear in the grid. Enter the adjust amount. Click Adjust Amount button. A pop-up window appears, with the Add Ledger Details. Enter the payment details. And click Add. Click Accept. The ledger details appear in the grid. Save and approve the transaction. A success window appears. In the similar way, the liability of TDS, professional tax, and provident fund can be cleared. Let's view the ledger details for the payment voucher. For this, select the Finance and Accounting module. Select the Ledger Query Report. Select the location, GL name, SL name, and financial year from the drop-down list. Select the From and To Date from the calendar. And click View. The report is displayed. Click to view all data for the period. We see that the liability has been duly paid. Hope this video can help you on how to book a direct salary entry. Thank you for watching.